I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Contact Form 7. Select a form. Next, search and select Actions. KonnectzIT. Give here the webhook link. So visit the KonnectzIT dashboard. Create KonnectzIT. Give a KonnectzIT name. Search a trigger webhook. Drag and drop here. Copy the webhook URL. Capture webhook response. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the KonnectzIT site. And choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Drag and drop here. Choose Action. Select Account. Choose Base ID. Choose Table ID. Choose Type or Case. Select additional fields. OK. Now create a connection between webhooks and Airtable. Test and review. Save. Go to the Contact Form 7 and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via KonnectzIT. Thanks for watching.